What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you've been watching my channel over the past few months, you will have seen the huge gains that we made recently. My first eyeless video was all the way back in April at only 8 cents. This dropped as low as 5 cents in June, but I had the belief in this stock all the way and kept making videos. Eyeless is now pushing towards that 50-cent wall and making huge progress every week. If you watch my recent Petrotech videos, I covered the stock a few weeks ago at only 11 cents. Telling you about a potential buyout offer coming. This stock reached as high as 34 cents just a few days later, and even now it's a bargain at only 18 cents. The board of directors currently has an offer on the table to buy the shares at 74 cents per share. And over this weekend I will be bringing you some new stocks that are going to make huge gains in the coming weeks, so support the channel as best you can. I don't ask for anything other than for you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Even the stock that I'm covering in today's video has made huge gains in the past few weeks. I made a video about this company just 3 weeks ago when it was only 11 cents. It hit a high of 28 cents last week and will continue to make gains in the coming weeks. As always guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence. Now let's dive into this penny stock, which is one of the most exciting penny stocks in the world right now. AABB Broadband is a resource company focused on the production, supply and sale of precious and base metals primarily to Asian markets. The company utilizes its specific geographic expertise, experience and extensive industry contacts to facilitate its innovative distribution process from the production and supply of precious and base metals in Mexico to client sales networks in Asia. The company has recently released its fresh minted mine-to-token gold-backed cryptocurrency, the AABB Gold Token, and is developing its own proprietary digital exchange. AABB expects this token to become a worldwide standard of exchange that is stable, secured and trusted with gold backing, while having the added benefit of demand-based price appreciation. These are unique qualities relative to other crypto tokens. With the launch of AABB Gold and the launch of the AABB wallet, AABB Broadband expects to become a world leader in providing a standard of exchange that is of excellent quality, is secure, transparent, trusted and most of all backed by gold. Late last year, the company completed the sale of its mining operation in the Guerrero Gold Belt, Mexico, for $82 million, which consisted of $52 million in cash and $30 million in gold bullion, and the company has used these resources to fund the launch of its new cryptocurrency token. The move has left the company debt-free with a very strong balance sheet consisting of over $100 million in assets, consisting mainly of cash and gold, which we will look at in a few moments when we look at the financials. And according to AABB Broadband, the AABB Gold Token is backed 100% by physical gold held by the company in several high-quality private locations in Mexico. The company will continue to back the token 100% by additional physical gold acquired from future mining production and gold purchased from cash reserves or credit. And the token price is also tied and supported by the company at the market price of gold at a minimum. AABB's primary goal for the token is to become a worldwide standard of exchange that is secured and trusted with gold backing by progressively expanding token circulation, targeting large population and high growth markets globally, including China and East Asia. On Thursday, AABB Broadband released their latest quarterly earnings report, so let's take a look at this Q3 report for the period ended September 30th. As we can see, AABB Broadband has total assets of $106.9 million and total liabilities of just $807,000. They have total current assets of $71 million, which is largely made up of cash and cash equivalents of $70.9 million. They have other assets of $35 million. This is made up of digital currencies of $1.5 million, mineral properties and licenses of $2.7 million, and $30 million of gold bullion. This gives AABB a very strong balance sheet for an OTC company. They have an asset to liability ratio of more than 110 to 1, which is fantastic, and the fact that a large portion of total assets is in the form of cash and gold is amazing for an OTC company. Looking at the income statement, we can see that there is no production revenue recorded in the latest 3-month period. In fact, there has been no production revenue recorded at all in 2021. Total revenue for the year so far has come from digital token sales of $1.5 million and a gain on the sale of property and equipment. Despite only having $1.5 million in revenue, AABB has still managed to turn a net income from operations so far this year of $462,000, And together with the gain on the sale, this gives the company a net income so far this year of 67.6 million. Last week, Asia Broadband finalised El Salvador operations hub for Latin America prior to launch of proprietary cryptocurrency exchange. The corporate office will serve as the company's Central and South American operations hub in preparation for the upcoming exchange launch. Recently, the company registered a subsidiary in El Salvador to form the foundation of the new business development and marketing facility. During this time, the AABB wallet and exchange has continued to be very well received by the local business community in El Salvador, validating the company's business plans within the country and expansion into the Latin American market. The company is targeting major Salvadoran retailers to engage in acceptance and processing agreements for customer purchases with AABBG and expand exchange awareness. The ongoing business development program will facilitate circulation, expansion and use of the exchange. I found this next bit very interesting. The company is also in discussions to explore the creation of a cryptocurrency mining facility in El Salvador powered by geothermal energy. Now this is an interesting development. Geothermal energy has the 6th lowest carbon footprint of all energy types. It combats climate change, comes with various environmental benefits with extremely low greenhouse gas emissions. The carbon footprint of cryptocurrency mining has become a huge issue in 2021, with this article saying that offsetting Bitcoin's carbon footprint would require planting 300 million new trees. The pollution spewed by Bitcoin mining would require by far the biggest expansion of the world's forests versus other crypto. The reason is basic. Bitcoin uses multiples of the amount of electricity deployed by each of its rivals. Bitcoin will burn roughly 76 billion kilowatts this year, nearly triple the consumption of Ethereum and over 100 times that of Litecoin. So for AABB to be using geothermal energy from a carbon footprint and environmentally friendly point of view, AABB announced that they are currently integrating and testing the network of components in final preparation to soon release the proprietary cryptocurrency exchange within the AABB wallet. The exchange project has evolved and grown immensely in recent months to vastly improve the finished product. Many new features and capabilities have been added to expand functionality, usability, module additions and market penetration, including the web version, Spanish language version and the new exchange website. AABB management and the development team are excited in anticipation of the approaching exchange launch. The new platform of the exchange, the BCG Gateway, is complete. This allows for the expanding number of cryptocurrencies to be added. The Gateway platform now accepts and supports 82 cryptocurrencies to purchase the AABB Gold in the AABB wallet. The network has also become more robust, with a larger capacity for increases in transaction volume. Generally, the gateway will stimulate transaction growth by allowing for reduced blockchain gas fees for all currencies and increases the speed of deposits, withdrawals and internal transactions. AABB signed a definitive joint venture agreement to secure 75% interest in the Tequila Gold Mine project and 100% of the current future gold production from the property. The property is 66.7 hectares or just shy of 165 acres. The property is currently producing gold, silver and base metals from its 25 ton per day processing facility, and all efforts are underway to significantly increase daily production capacity with the mill facility expansion installation in the first quarter of 2022. AABB will be continuing the previous exploration and drilling program on the Tequila property done by a Canadian mining company that revealed multiple gold and silver mineralization veins with high grade potential. So this is great. Not only have they got a high potential site, but this is a site that is already producing and looking to expand. The additional development work on the property will facilitate the completion of a professional geological resource assessment report and further define the scope of the joint venture's capital budget going forward. The Tequila Gold project is another high-yield asset addition within the company's strategic expansion initiative to acquire gold production and increase the AABB physical gold holdings. The tequila project has potential for rapid expansion, high production, low operating costs, and strong contribution to gross profits. Before looking at the charts, let's look back at my AABB video just 2 weeks ago. And I feel that this should continue into next week and beyond, where I hope to see the price rise from the current 15 cents up to approximately 19 cents over the coming week, hopefully realizing upwards of 25% gain. 81% of my viewers in the past 28 days are still unsubscribed. Subscribe and find out about these stocks as soon as I make a video, instead of finding my videos after the stocks have made huge gains. Look at the price here. As always guys, I like to make projections as conservatively as possible. I don't throw around price targets without some logic behind them. But AABB has been absolutely smashing my conservative short-term price targets. And look here at my AABB video from September, where the share price was only 11 cents. Fully expected on the release of any news, this stock will rise rapidly, and we already know that we can expect massive press releases in the coming weeks regarding both the exchange and any operational updates. So I think this is a great opportunity to get into the stock right now. So looking at the charts, we can see that the stock has generally been moving in this channel for the past few weeks, hitting these lines of support and resistance while keeping its general upward momentum. Now, as usual with OTC stocks that have made such huge gains like AABB has, the stock dropped just before market close today. This is normal because a lot of people get nervous about holding OTC penny stocks over the weekend. This is especially true about stocks that are due to drop big news any day, and Asia Broadband are expected to drop news about the exchange very soon. Once again, I rate this stock as having far more upside potential than downside risk, but this is just my opinion. So guys, that brings us to the end of the video. If you've watched all the way through, then hit that like button. It really helps the channel out a lot. If you're new, hit the subscribe button and bell notification, and follow me on Twitter. Catch you in the next one.